Up in the paddle, kind of like we do.
Oh,
That lets us get them. So
It's
there you
gonna.
go.
Yay. Oh yeah.
This is
A real
Mom.
pet.
Ooh.
I just don't want to break her. She's like, I already get beat all the time. Quit trying to lift your head. I know you're strong.
Hey, let her lift it. Let her build them muscles up.
Except for it's hard for me to control my pet.
I know.
Oh, there we go.
Got a little burp.
There we go. I'm just a big girl. I'm just such a big girl. Oh, yeah.
Try to get her to burp again, or is that it?
She burps again. Do I need to keep going, or is that good enough?
Probably.
Oh, quit then. Oh,